So welcome to everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss about one topic that is conversion of use in engineering graphics. So in this conversion of use, we have two concepts. The first concept is isometric view to orthographic view, and second concept is orthographic view to isometric view. So isometric view to orthographic view means three-dimensional figure will be a question. So we need to convert that three-dimensional figure into two-dimensional figure, orthographic view. Okay. So today concept in this video, I'm going to discuss orthographic view to isometric view. That means two-dimensional figure will be the question and the three-dimensional figure will be the answer. So we need to convert two-dimensional figure to three-dimensional figure. That is means orthographic view to isometric view. Okay. So here we have a three views: front view, top view, and left hand side view. With the help of these three views, we need to convert three-dimensional figure. Okay, we need to convert isometric figure. So for converting this isometric figure, at least we need two views, either front view, side view, or front view, top view, or top view, side view. So any two views we require for making this isometric figure. Okay, so in this question, I have three views. Okay, with the help of these three views, I'm going to draw isometric figure. Okay, so for drawing this isometric figure in AutoCAD, we require one tool, that is IsoDraft, which is available near to the polar tracking command. Okay, this is isometric drafting. Okay, IsoDraft in short. So it should be turned on. Okay, this tool consisting of three planes. The first plane, isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right. So with the help of these three planes, we are going to draw front view, top view, side view. Okay. So isoplane left is used for drawing the left hand side view as well as front view. Okay. Isoplane top, which is used for drawing the top view of the isometric figure, and isoplane right, which is used for right hand side view at the same time front view also. Okay, so with the help of these planes, we are going to construct our isometric figure. Okay, so one more shortcut command is F5 for switching from left side to top view, top to right, right to left. If you press F5, we can directly change the line direction. It means plane change, switching from one plane to another plane if you press F5. Okay, so first of all, let us understand the first front view. So in front view, we can find the length of the isometric figure, at the same time height of the isometric figure. So here the length is 104 is given. Length, this is considered as the length, and this is the height. Okay, so this portion 104 and height, which is 48. Okay, which is taken from the left hand side height, and right front view height, both are same, 48. And next, this line length is 24, and this line length is 16 plus 16, 32, and this line length is 104 minus 24, that is 80, and this line length is 16. First of all, we need to construct this L shape. Okay, this step. So this is the front view. Okay, let us take the line command and turn on this ISO draft. Okay, so from here this is the reference line. So anywhere on this reference line, start our drawing. So this is length of 104. Enter. Okay, the height is given, that is 48. Enter. Okay, and 24, and downside 32, and this side 80 and close the line. Okay, so what we have drawn here, so let me indicate with a different color. Okay, this portion we have completed. Okay, front view. So coming to the top view, this point, this corner point represent this corner point, and this corner point represent this corner point. So from this corner to this line, okay, this line length which is equal to 72, okay, and this line which is equal to 104. Okay, so in this direction 72, 104, and this line is 24. Okay, this line is equal to 80, and this line is equal to 48. 24 plus 24, 48. So let us consider this shape. Okay, 72, 104, 24, 80, 48, 24. Okay, in the top view, this is top view. Okay, so let us take the line. So I want top view, top plane. Okay, select isoplane top. So in this direction 72, enter. In this direction 104, enter. This direction 24, enter. And this length 80 and join this corner. So we have completed this top view portion. Okay, this portion completed. Next, coming to the side view. Okay, so this is the height. First step 16, second step first line 16, second line 24, and 16, 24, 16. Height is 16, and this line length is 24. So like that, you have to construct these steps in the side view. So this 16 height is represented here. Okay, this 16. And next we move to 24, from this point to 24 and 16, 24 and 16. Okay, so like that we have to construct these steps. So take the line command, already 16 drawn, and take 24, enter. Okay, change the plane, 16, enter, then 24, change the plane, F5, this is 24, enter, and 16. Done. So these steps are drawn. Next, 72, this line length 72, from this point to 72 and 48. So take the line from this point 72, enter, 48, enter. Okay, so we have completed this front view, top view, side view. What are the views we can visible? Okay, all views are completed. Next, coming to this hidden portion. So that means, so this line is 16 height. Okay, so from the side view, it is a single line, but so we have a two lines here, but we have a two lines here. This is one line and this is second line. So we need to draw the second line from this corner. So that is 16. Okay, and join this corner. That means we have completed this portion in the front view. Okay, 16, 18, 16, 18, 80. Okay, and next from this corner 24 and join this corner. So this is 24 and this should be 24. That means this line in the front view, in the top view, this line. Okay, in the side view, this line. Clear? So we can visible only top view and this side view, 24 line. So completed. And next, downside 16 and 80. Second step is completed. Okay, in the front view, this one is completed. And next, join this corner to this corner. So entire figure is completed. So like that, these are hidden lines we need to assume, so which is parallel to this line and this 24 line and this 16 and 24 lines. So this side also we have this 16, 24, 16, 24 lines are there. Okay, we have to assume these are directly invisible, so we have to assume that there is a lines. And next, give the dimensions. So go to dimensions and align method, second one, and take the dimension from this corner to this corner, that is 104, and this is width 72. Okay, length and width, then height 48, and this step 24, and this step length, step height 60. Okay, so these dimensions are not properly aligned to this 3D figure. So if you want to align properly to this figure, so we have a command that is dimension edit. The shortcut is DED. Okay, dimension edit. Select that dimension edit command and go to oblique view. Okay, after selecting this option, so click on this dimension line and this line also. 48 line and 16 line. 48 line, 16 line. After selecting, press enter and take parallel in which direction you want. Okay, I want this direction. You have to click two times. One click here, another click this corner. So the dimensions will be changed according to that parallel, according to this parallel edge. Okay, so next press enter. The last command will be reactivated once again. Go to oblique and select this 24 dimension line and this 104 dimension line. Okay, so press enter. I want this 24 in this direction vertically. So give the 2 points, click on these 2 points, this corner and this corner, we will get this dimension. So next press enter, go to oblique, select 72, press enter. Okay, so this dimension also I want in vertical direction. So I am selecting 2 points. So this is 72. So give the line weight after completing this figure. Okay, 0.50. Okay, it will be visible in thick. Okay, this is the procedure for making this orthographic view to isometric view. Thank you.